I'm so glad One Piece exists in this lifetime, in my lifetime right now. First of all, my name is Milks and also known as Miruku. I'm a creative storyteller, a multimedia artist. I do illustration, comic artist, painting. I design also for stages for music festival. I'm also a chef with a pop-up kitchen here in Bangkok. So yeah, let's talk about One Piece. Oh, I mean, sequential art, One Piece, like a manga, comic, manhwa, BDs, webtoon is one of my favorite medium for storytelling. And One Piece by Eiichiro Oda is truly a masterclass in, narrative, in the idea of storytelling itself. While I could spend hours talking about how great One Piece is, I'm not a fan who I give, to do commentaries review. I'm just a consumer most of the time. I've been following One Piece since 2010 and reading it weekly, chapter release since 2015. One Piece has changed, inspired my life in many ways, creatively and personally. As an artist, I enjoy solitude, and One Piece occupy much of my time. I'm what you call a solo reader, so I just reading and just keep all those reading experience to myself. I don't really share with anyone. Not that I know that anyone around me actually read One Piece. Through One Piece masterful storytelling, like I cry in those like really powerful moment in the series, like when Nico declare she want to leave, and even that freaking ship part, and you know what it is. Those emotion are real. My those emotional reaction, that those are real. And and I always wanted to share my work online, but kind of lack of confidence in my voice. This is kind of my first time actually recording my own voice. And so during COVID, I became curious about what others thought of One Piece. So I went to YouTube to look for those, reaction. And I found this very inspiring community around it. Though I rarely comment on videos, my routine after reading each chapter is to go online, and then, for example, in the early days, I follow people like Rogers Base, Mr. Moj, O'Hara, Joy Boy Theory, and now I almost like weekly regulars, right after reading a chapters, I will go Grainline reviews, Melon Tea, Murphy's. I mean, these people are just like really super. I mentioned this name because you guys are representing the ripple effect of One Piece. Because One Piece from manga adapted into anime and adapted into live action. And I would say people, commentary, YouTuber, reviewers, and reactors are one of those, still an expansion of those ripple. I'm so glad I come across with that. And yeah, seeing this expansion and power of One Piece narrative has inspired me to make this video. I even did create this time lapse of my brush pen illustration of Straw Hat Cruise just for this video. So yeah, give it a like. I wanted to share this with you all, and hopefully, my future stories, my own stories, dreams, not just One Piece illustration. And for those people that I just mentioned just now, thank you so much. You guys inspired me, trust me, indirectly. And those who are listening right now, thank you for listening. I hate my voice, And anyway, yeah, looking forward to see more. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Ciao, ciao.